Hello guys, this is Hadris with WTI and I want to show you this cute hourglass. If you love the color pink and need something to complete your decor, you're going to love this. It's beautiful. The little balls that simulate sand look super nice and round in that pink color, giving any space a fantastic touch. I like that when I'm bored, I can count the second it lasts and do it again until I get tired. So it's not used for decoration. You can also think of the other place to put it. For example, next to the home phone where I leave mine so that anyone on a call can use it and stay entertained. The contrast between the transparent and the pink really appeals to me because it gives a super chic style and grabs people's attention. And this is my point of view.